Looking for the best GPU to power your gaming, content creation, or AI projects? In 2025, graphics cards are faster, smarter, and more advanced than ever. Whether you're chasing ultra-high FPS or smooth 4K rendering, this list of the top 5 best GPUs will help you find the perfect fit for your needs and budget. Number 1. MSI Gaming RTX 5090. The RTX 5090 Vanguard SoC is a powerhouse and the crown jewel of Nvidia's Blackwell architecture. Featuring 32GB of GDDR7, a 512-bit memory interface, and speeds reaching 2,527 MHz, this card isn't just top tier, it's future tier. It's designed for extreme gamers, AI developers, and content creators pushing the limits. In testing, early hands-on or simulated environments, this GPU handled 4K Ultra at high frame rates without breaking a sweat. Rendering complex Blender scenes? Done in record time. It's whisper quiet under load, thanks to MSI's robust cooling system. It supports the latest DisplayPort 2.1a and HDMI 2.1b, meaning it's ready for 8K setups. Number 2. ZOTAC's RTX 4080 SuperAmp is a refined, performance-optimized version of Nvidia's Ada Lovelace GPU lineup. Featuring 16GB of GDDR6X, a 256-bit memory bus, and support for DLSS 3.5, this GPU delivers excellent power efficiency and top-tier ray tracing. Users report buttery smooth gameplay at 1440p Ultra and 4K High, thanks to frame generation and DLSS. Temps stay controlled with ZOTAC's Ice Storm 2.0 cooling, and the Spectra RGB lighting gives it a premium gaming aesthetic. It's also impressively quiet, even under full load. Number 3. MSI Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XT. AMD brings the heat with the RX 7900 XT, featuring 20GB GDDR6, 320-bit memory interface, and built on the efficient RDNA 3 architecture. It offers powerful rasterization performance and strong multi-monitor support. The 7900 XT shines in 1440p Ultra and 4K high settings, and does especially well in traditional raster games like Cyberpunk 2077 No RT. While ray tracing isn't quite on par with Nvidia, AMD's FSR technology helps balance that. MSI's TorqueSpan 4.0 design also keeps it cool under pressure. Number 4. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3090. The RTX 3090 was a legend in its time, and it still holds up. With 24GB of GDDR6X, a massive 384-bit bus, and raw compute power, it's great for gaming and heavy workloads like 3D rendering, simulation, and AI. This card devours 4K gaming, handles VR with ease, and is favored by creators using Blender, Premiere Pro, and Unreal Engine. MSI's Trifrozer 2 cooling ensures stability and performance, even under long render load. Number 5. ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4070 Ti. The 4070 Ti offers an efficient, modern solution for gamers. Built on the Ada Lovelace architecture, it has 12GB GDDR6X, DLSS 3, and strong ray tracing performance in a cooler, more compact design. Testers praise the 1440p Ultra experience fast, responsive, and with sharp visuals. DLSS 3's frame generation makes it feel smoother than older GPUs with higher raw power. ASUS's TUF cooler runs quietly and reliably,